Imagine the thrill of battling it out in a single match with more players than ever before in Battlefield history. Welcome to the world of 128-player matches, but what does this mean for gameplay? For the first time in Battlefield history, developers introduced 128-player matches in a leaked version of Battlefield 6, now known as Battlefield 2042. This was intended to be a major feature, promising epic and intense multiplayer experiences. However, DICE made the surprising decision to drop 128-player battles from one of Battlefield 2042's key game modes. This change came with a return to classes instead of specialists and smaller 64-player matches. The reduction from 128 to 64 players was aimed at creating more focused and thoughtfully designed maps. This change affects the gameplay dynamics, making matches potentially more manageable but less vast. The initial concept of large-scale battles was meant to enhance immersion and provide a sense of overwhelming numbers. However, the shift to smaller matches suggests a focus on quality over quantity in terms of gameplay experience. The implications of these changes are significant for both players and developers. Players may face different strategic challenges, while developers need to balance fun with technical feasibility in large-scale multiplayer environments. So, despite the initial excitement about 128-player matches, Battlefield 2042 has taken a different path. This decision reflects ongoing efforts to refine multiplayer experiences and ensure smooth gameplay even with large numbers of players. What do you think about the shift in Battlefield's multiplayer strategy? Do these changes affect your expectations for the game?